So hey guys, what is going on? My name is Jacob from Cinema Camp Productions, and in today's video you guys are going to see me going through a benchmarking test of my Nvidia 970 4GB MSI gaming edition. You get to see me put it into the actual computer, install it. It was kind of rough at first because everything went wrong and I'm really bad at building computers and whatnot. And you get to see the benchmarks here at the end. So please stick around. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you there.
Gosh. I'm just going to record right now.
Go for it, man. What type of screws are we going to need for it?
The black one.
Are you recording?
I am recording.
Nice.
Unboxing right here.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
Some quality tearing aparting.
Quality tearing aparting.
I do English well.
Taylor, I'm recording the video. Give me a minute.
What?
I'm recording the video. Give me a minute.
What video?
The video for my graphics card.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Okay, bye.
Okay, that's me.
Whoa. What's all this? There's stuff in here. Wow. Okay. So we got our driver CD and our installation guide. Who needs one of those, am I right? We probably do. We'll keep that CD and we'll do that right there, am I right? Okay, then we got this fancy little wrappy wrap. Thank you for choosing, yeah, whatever. Oh, Jesus, it's already here. I thought I was gonna have to go through like a few more layers of just junk. Remove before gaming, of course.
No, I think I should game with it on.
I think I should too. It's known to be a good fact, just to keep it on there, just to keep the heat inside. Let's take a look at that. Why'd you just, wait, hold on, let me just, yep. There we go. Check that out right there. Wow.
Yeah, and you gotta take the caps out. Good.
So now we do yield installation. Just make sure it fits. So how did we, just tuck it in like that? Okay, and then we go up here to the first one. It's kind of tough quarters here, but gotta do what you gotta do, am I right? Alright, so we got Spencer here. Handy guy, Spencer.
But like, oh, up. Are we in? I'm 100% sure we're in.
Okay. Okay.
As long as you don't drop it in your power supply.
Yeah, that's what I'm honestly worried about. Can I get like a sheet of paper or something?
I've done that like once before and I had to take apart my power supply. Happy birthday!
And my birthday card.
It's his birthday today.
It's my birthday. I'm wearing a birthday boy. Wow. Hey.
The struggle is real.
I've never had this big of a problem with something so
I'm coming over here.
Okay, I hate my life. Please.
Go in. Oh. Oh.
Hold on.
Oh.
Please. No.
Oh.
Please.
Is it going in at all?
I don't know.
Oh. What if I hold it up for you?
It's going in. Is it? It's going in at a weird angle. We're cooking. Alright.
That was my lunch.
Okay.
Keep recording. Don't stop.
Whoa. My legs hurt from that one. Okay, that was
a good workout.
a lot harder than what it should have been. Let's go ahead and get all this junk back on. And then we will see you guys once we actually get the computer on and cooking. If we did it right. Moment of truth. Take it on.
Take it on.
Get her cooking. Turned on, that's good. I gotta get my...
Get your speakers hooked up.
Yeah, I gotta do that, but I have to get my thing on the bottom here. Plug her in.
You can just download them from online, dude. Just do that.
Wow. Wow, that is drivers totally. Why download them from online whenever you can just do this? Wow.
Because you get the updated version.
Yeah, that's true.
Never mind. Go that way and then you can update it later. Let's just get it on here.
Okay. So we have our install. What?
Nice.
That's how to install Nvidia drivers. What just happened?
Was it already from the driver that you downloaded from mine?
Yeah, but yours is a different card.
That's what I was thinking.
Yours is a 960, mine's a 970. Oh, jeez. So I guess I don't even need this now.
Screw it.
Alright. So let's go in and just not sit down. Let's go to the interwebs. Let's go to Nvidia. Okay. We're gonna download some Nvidia drivers. We got some we got MSI GeForce, didn't we? Let's hope so. 900 series 970. 8.1 English search.
I cannot focus with this right now.
You can't?
Well, I can, but it's super hard to see if it's focused or not.
It's the gloss, isn't it? Oh.
It's just this tiny screen.
I don't know what's going on outside. Oh, we got 1 minute left in the download.
Can I sing happy birthday to you?
Dude, sing happy birthday to me.
This is your birthday song. It isn't very long.
Leave. See you later, Spencer.
Your dog is gonna just come out of nowhere and like
Because you have a little poof on your thing.
eat my head off.
Alright, here we go. We're installing LED drivers. Oh, fuck. Freaking heck out of here. Okay.
Okay.
There's Spencer. Hi, everybody. Look, this is the thing my dog hates. Wow, this is really in focus. Did somebody like rub their finger across this? Ew.
Like in focus or out
It's
of focus?
really out of focus. And the color's all messed up. Maybe the Nvidia driver messed it up.
Ready for some camera this? Oh, that won't. Never mind.
See you later. Sydney. Oh no. Here, hang on.
Your dog's gonna kill me.
Here he is. Sydney got to make his appearance.
Okay, I'm going.
He does not like your microphone, dude.
It's something.
it's a. Why did all my icons move to that side? What's going on? Okay, it's installed. Let's go in and restart the computer. Make sure the drivers are installed. We're gonna test them on a game. We should have done like a before and after, dude. Let's just take it all out and do it. Let's just take it all out.
Or you know, you can just like put it in your motherboard, test it, and then put it in your graphics card.
How do I put it in my motherboard?
Like you were before.
What?
Looks like playtime. I got this. This should be. Oh, they got him. You took a wrong turn. I think we've got enough. Holy crap! You're all dead. Couldn't make them pay. We're gonna die.
Warning. Hostiles incoming.
Damn you, fucker! Keep firing at him. Get away from me!
Hey guys, if you guys did enjoy that benchmark and installation of the graphics card, make sure you guys give that like button a huge render. It really helps me out in the long run. Yeah, if you guys want to see more of these types of videos, just let me know in the comments below. And once again, thank you guys. I'll see you later.